what up, guys? I'm here with Just Rice Racing. Catching up. Been a while since I've done this. But he has a new toy, and it's a fast toy, and it's another Honda.
So for those people that haven't seen my channel, it's on my windshield, but for those people that haven't seen my channel, I've been through the past 4 months, like 3 different Hondas. So I've had another EK that was silver, that was single cam. I had a Del Sol that I still have, that's turbo now, single cam, built. I just took that motor out of the white Honda that we built. This one is B series with B18 in it. Other than that, it has a tune from CLM. I put my Del Sol wheels on it.
Yeah, so if you guys want to see that motor build, check out Just Rice Racing. The entire build's on his channel. B18C1.
It's a GSR swap out of an Integra. This was done in the mid-2000s. Had a B16 in it. It blew up. The dude who had it was making 400 horsepower. It's pretty much stock. Oh yeah, valve springs and retainers on the top. I did the spark plugs. They were crusty and dusty as fuck.
Things are race car when it comes equipped with a fire extinguisher.
Oh yeah, no, yeah. It was like a time attack car. With
it was boosted at one point. It did have a turbo.
Yeah, it had a turbo. It was making power.
So you got the short throw, you got the order temp, boost gauge that doesn't work.
That I have yet to wire in the halos and the daytime runnings. Just put a new bumper on it. That's on the channel. Posting really frequently on my other channel, so if you guys want to check that out, it's on there. Everything that Isaac missed in his life is on my channel now.
Yeah, I'll put everything down in the link below.
This car kind of takes all that away. I don't have to worry about coronavirus and all whatever the hell is crazy going on right now.
There is one thing I do want to point out though. This thing is actually picks up a lot of speed to the point that the rear end dips down so much that the fender actually rubs into the tire, which I think is actually pretty funny. That it dips down that much.
I just think that I need stiffer suspension, or I need to adjust the coilover.
Yeah. I didn't even see that.
The bar?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got a little bar in the back.
Oh shit.
Have fun with it. Something to daily.
Something to just keep your mind off.
Yeah, yeah. It's not like anything like I had before. Like my first Honda, if you remember, had SI interior, had a SI cluster. That was probably worth more than the damn car.
No, we don't talk about that.
You never put that car on the channel at all.
I never filmed the Subaru. I never filmed the Volkswagen. I was doing all that shit to it. Never had filmed it with the Sonoma.
Oh yeah, you never filmed the Volkswagen. They totally missed out. Yo, we worked on your car for 3 months to make it to Ratchet Friday on time. Ratchet Friday got postponed. We took that whole week, painted the car, put Ratchet Friday on it, made the exhaust, made the wing.
Everything.
In like a week, we did like mostly everything.
In a week, welded everything up, and what happens? Ratchet Friday posted my car on the channel. I'm ready. So we're heading to a car meet right now. We got Devin and Bree. I saw your truck. I was looking for you. Where did you come in? I came in the Subaru. Like what? Where? Right there. Let's go. Let's go. Y'all shoot across the board. I'm gonna drink it till the morning. Hey, I'm gonna drink it till the morning. I like your headlights. You don't have any. This is done properly.
4.
So
I'm telling you, 1 on each thing.
Oh, is he going? Oh, the dip light. Look at the fucking sand.
It's just like,
yeah.
ooh.
Yeah, we're leaving. I mean, there's mad people running.
My pockets fat like